In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create training docs in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, professional training page that your team can use right away. Start by heading to your Confluence site and signing in with your usual credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the home dashboard, which is your starting point for everything you create. Next, create a new page. Look for the Create button at the top menu and click it. You can start with a blank page for full control, or pick a template if your workspace has one you like. Either way, the editor will open so you can begin writing. Give your page a strong descriptive title at the top. Something like New Employee Onboarding Training works great because it tells readers exactly what to expect. Clear titles also make content easier to find through search. Before we go further, quick heads up. If you need access, you'll find the Confluence website link at the top of the description. If you prefer using the mobile or desktop app, the download links are there too. Grab those if you want to follow along as we build this. Now write the training content using simple, predictable sections. Start with an introduction that explains what the training covers and who it's for. Follow with objectives, so learners know what they'll be able to do when they're done. Then add the core steps or instructions. Keep these short, action-oriented, and in the order they should be done. You can finish with notes or tips to highlight common pitfalls or best practices. For example, your steps might read: open the system, log in, and complete the form. The simpler the language, the better. Format the page so it's easy to scan. Use headings for each section, bullets or numbered lists for procedures, and bold for key terms or warnings. Good formatting helps readers find answers quickly and reduces follow-up questions. If visuals help, add images or videos. Click Insert. Choose Files and Images, then upload screenshots or short screen recordings. Crop or annotate them so the important parts stand out. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right. Your training doc is now live and ready to use. Finally, share it with your team. Select Share, add teammates from your directory, or copy the page link and send it through your usual channels. They'll be able to view and follow the training right away. That's it for creating effective training docs in Confluence. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.